Surprisingly, I was able to sell 2 cases every day with a total profit of 60,000 yen. Hello, I'm Liza from Swimmy Channel. I want to ask you, have you heard about Sedori? Sedori, or retail arbitrage, to put it simply, is purchasing heavily discounted products from a retail outlet and selling the same products through online marketplace for a profit. I have started selling at Mercari recently, and I hear that many Japanese students and working professionals are also actively doing this to earn more money on the side. In today's video, I am going to teach you everything there is to know about selling in Japan's most popular flea market app, Mercari, including which item you can sell and the exact steps you need to do to get your first product listed right away. You'd be surprised what's being sold at Mercari. When I was starting out, I had the opportunities to sell canned tomatoes, but initially I thought, honestly, I don't think I can sell them. Surprisingly, I was able to sell 2 cases every day with a total profit of 60,000 yen. That's 24 canned tomatoes per case, and about 60 cases sold last month. So right now, I am thinking of make a new listing of canned tomatoes and thought of walking you through each step from making a listing until shipping your items. Also suggest which postage is best and even tell you where to find the best deals. So please watch this video until the end. Most people sell what they don't need on Mercari, and this flea market app is a good place to buy items at much cheaper price. That is, if you don't mind getting your hands on a used product. Though it doesn't mean that there are no new products being sold here. With Mercari, you can opt to buy new or almost new products by filtering through the product condition category and search the item from there. It is also possible to contact the seller directly before making a purchase. Buyers can confirm with the seller on the actual condition of the item. If there are any marks or flaws, remaining product warranties, or even possibly negotiate before purchase. There are an estimated 15 million registered Mercari users in Japan to date, with the total number of products for sale exceeding 1.5 billion. It sounds very easy to make a sale, don't you think so? First, you need to, of course, download the Mercari app on your smartphone and register a Mercari account using either your Facebook, Google account, or email address. This step is easy and won't take long. For the nickname, you can select any name you'd like. This is the name you'd be using when interacting with others. For privacy reasons, I recommend using a name other than your real name. You will be receiving a transaction authentication number via SMS. Please enter the 4-digit number as prompted. It is also very convenient to register with your bank information when trading with Mercari in the future. So please complete this at the beginning. You can put items up for sale as soon as you register. As I've mentioned, I will be posting canned tomatoes later on, but feel free to try selling anything at this time. To start, tap the camera icon with the Shuppin kanji located at the bottom of the screen. Shuppin means listing in English. Click the Shashin o toru on the middle left portion next. The app will now prompt you to take a picture of the item you want to sell. You can take up to 10 pictures per listing. Since this is just a practice listing, you can take a snapshot of, say, a magazine or accessories as an example. After taking a picture, the app will now prompt you to choose from a list of possible categories. Select which one fits the product best. After that, click on Shuhi no Jotai or product condition. You can choose between brand new and unused, almost new, and such. You can leave the description field blank for now. Next is to enter the selling price. You can also refer to the easy to sell prices being displayed on the app. If you'd notice, Mercari will auto-deduct 10% handling fee from your listed price, so be sure to adjust your selling price accordingly. Finally, Tap on Shuppin Suru or post listing and you're all set. It's that easy to sell on Mercari, right? Now it is my turn to post my item. This time I will be posting 1 case of canned tomatoes for 1,980 yen with the shipping charges included. The last time I checked, a case of 24 canned tomatoes is being sold in stores for about 3,000 yen. Besides that, buyers would still need to pay for the shipping costs, so this means that buying from me would mean a total savings of more than 50% off retail. After posting the item, all we have to do now is to wait. So, how did it go? Yes, the listing was sold! When an item has been sold, you will receive a notification like this. I highly recommend that you select Raku Raku Mercari as your shipping option. You will then have the option to either post it from a convenience store like 7-Eleven or Family Mart, Yamato, or any post office to ship the item to your buyer. It is so convenient that you don't even have to write any postage label. It literally takes a minute to ship your item. When you bring your package to the convenience store or post office counter, the staff will scan your QR code in the app, print out the label, and attach it. Postage will be automatically deducted from your sales price and also update with the tracking number and the progress of the shipment. What's more, both buyer and shipper's address stay private. Transaction will not be concluded until the buyer acknowledges the actual receipt of the product and you and the buyer mutually leaves a contract. It is only until then that you will receive the payment. To sum it up, in order to successfully sell at Mercari, you need to, first, outsource or buy popular products to resell as cheaply as possible. Second, sell cheaper than the retail price with easy-to-understand photos and item description. Third, respond to the purchases properly to increase the number of repeaters. Once the buyers start to follow you or give you a high 4 or 5-star feedback, there will be higher chance for them to buy another product from you next time. Product listing on Mercari is as simple and as convenient as this. This is probably why it is the largest and most widely used flea market app in Japan. I think there is a big possibility for anyone to make profit. However, successfully making a sale is not that easy. You'd have to do trial and error and build a good reputation in order to be a successful seller. Now that we know the basics in posting an item, I will now teach you how to find products to sell. When doing product research, you can initially do a simple search among products, condition whether brand new or not, and pricing that you are interested in on Mercari, and cross-checking it on other marketplaces like Amazon, Rakuten, and such. In order to make profit through reselling, you would have to find products that you can actually sell and at competitive pricing, for which can be rather difficult. I would suggest searching through products that are trending or mostly searched for on Amazon with the use of apps like Keepa and Delta Tracer. You can also try using Product Database, Product Tracker, and Niche Hunter in the Jungle Scout web app. Another way for anyone to make a quick profit is also by reselling items that are hard to find and are most sought after. One example is Kimetsu no Yaibaman Mugen Train Choco from Lotte's Demon Slayer Bikkuriman Choco line. The chocolate retailed at Lawson for about 3,200 yen and was later on sold for 6,500 yen or more at the flea markets. Since the product was sold out immediately on the first day of release, collectors turned to online flea market apps like Mercari to buy one. Not everyone can be happy with this type of reselling though, so it is not your thing. There are still other ways to outsource items for profit. Recently, tea presso or tea espresso has also been gaining popularity among Japanese people. Hillshaw Tea Espresso, one popular brand, is regularly sold at Mercari for 8,000 yen and a brand new one retails for 14,000 yen on Amazon. Since heel shawl has become a regularly traded product, this is also a good item to sell. Cosmetics are also popularly traded on Mercari. You can sell cosmetics that you have only used once at a low price instead of throwing them away. There are many people who enjoy trading on Mercari by buying cheap on Amazon and reselling them on Mercari. It can be a good way to make some money on the side. I also want to tell you about Swimmy Mall, the company where I got my canned tomatoes from. Swimmy Mall is an online store that supports foreign residents in Japan. They sell various items from canned goods to leather bags and clothes from the past seasons at dirt cheap prices. The company aims to provide support for easier living in Japan for foreign residents, so I recommend buying from this site. Like these, the items listed on Swimmy Mall now. They have premium canned mackerels being sold for 4,980 per case. That's so cheap. I think I can use these to resell at Mercari. Most of the products I sell on Mercari are from Swimmy Mall. This online store accepts credit card, PayPal, convenience store payments, and many more, so it is very convenient. Also, they give out 10% coupons for additional discounts. I will be posting the link and discount code below if you need more information. Furthermore, some people who don't want to take risk opt for pre-sale post-buy way of selling. This means that once they find an item that they intend to sell, they will first post a listing on Mercari and buy the actual item only after making a sale. This is a good way to trade without losing any money while making zero investment. Or you can start listing items you no longer need. Most people have started with their selling account this way. It can be a good way to discover your business style and grow from there. I am certain that you'd have an unexpected sale soon and start listing on almost anything, like what I did. Don't worry about your Japanese. Even if you're not fluent, I found that my buyers don't mind grammar mistakes, but expect A+ service, secondhand or not. So have fun, make extra money, and learn some Japanese at the same time. And that sums up our video about Beginner's Guide to Selling on Mercari Japan. Since we've only covered the basics, there are more to discuss about building your store. I would love to hear about your first trade experience, selling experiences, or any suggestions you might have. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel as we find more ways to make your living in Japan easier. Thank you for watching until the end. Until next time, bye bye!